We had some great flying weather today, that is for sure.
Beautiful.
Cool morning and a pretty warm afternoon.
It's called a VFR in the aviation community. Visual all the way today. Great visibility, not a cloud in the sky. And you're right, cool this morning was the big story with readings in the 40s in some areas, but the big warm up this afternoon. And you know why? It's because the air is so dry out there. Our dew points are down in the 40s right now, so it just feels great. A little warm, but when the sun gets a little lower in the sky tonight, it will be an absolutely fantastic evening. At least 77, maybe lower by 8 o'clock tonight. That's the hour of sunset. And then at 10 p.m. Down to 69 already. A little cooler in some locations. Most of the hill country made it to the low 80s today. A few spots did make it out of the upper 70s, like over in Gillespie County, 77 in Fredericksburg at this hour, 77 up in Lampasas. Current temperatures in the metro area all still in the low 80s currently. Cedar Park at 83 degrees, one of the warmer spots. And you folks off in our eastern counties tonight, you're either 81 or 82, wherever you are. It is mostly clear in the city. It is 83 degrees at Camp Mabry. 41 is the dew point. That puts the relative humidity at only 23%. At the airport, it's also 83 with a mostly clear sky. Winds variable in town. At the airport, they're still north-northeasterly at 12 miles per hour. And sunset tonight, by the way, is exactly straight up 8 p.m. In the pollen count today, about like yesterday. Mold count was medium. Pecan was medium again today. Oak was still low at 30. Grass pollen was up a little bit. 61 is considered a medium concentration there on grass. Around Texas, 78 in Dallas, 82 in Houston. Pretty nice statewide. Laredo's kind of usually a hot spot, and it is again today at 90 degrees. On the weather map, not a cloud in the sky. They're drying out down in South Texas. We reported yesterday, of course, if you're with us, and all the flooding down there in Corpus Christi and other locations. A couple of tornado touchdowns. In fact, last night about 6:20, while we were here doing the news and the weather, there was about a period of 5 minutes where the winds gusted to hurricane force on South Padre Island. 74-mile-an-hour winds were measured down there. It resulted in a roof, part of a roof being taken off of a restaurant down in that area. Some power outages too. A couple of small boats actually sank there at South Padre Island. So they needed the break today, and they're getting it. And then this was the future weather map hour by hour through Thursday. Nothing much changing. Not very few clouds in the sky. We'll continue to see the cool mornings, the pleasantly to almost unpleasant warm afternoons, depending on if you're outside working in it, because it will be up in the mid-80s next 2 days again. Rain thunderstorms in here possibly on Friday. That is not a done deal at this point, but some of our area could see some showers, maybe even a couple of strong thunderstorms Friday. But that system's in and out quickly. Beautiful weekend coming. Tonight, the low temperatures, let's call it 50s in most areas, but those low-lying valleys out here in the cooler pockets, even around the metro, could dip into the 40s briefly, and then a big warm up to 80 degrees or above again tomorrow afternoon. In Austin, let's go 57 overnight with a clear sky all night long, and then a sunny sky tomorrow, and 84, I think, will be the afternoon high temperature in Austin. We'll go 85 on Thursday. There's that chance of rain or some thunderstorms on Friday, only a 40% probability right now. The front will blow on through Friday evening, setting the stage for beautiful weather this weekend. In fact, really, really nice. We're talking 50s again in the morning, and then highs only in the 70s Saturday and Sunday. Really something to look forward to, huh?